How to use Clipboard History in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use Clipboard History in Windows. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First thing what you'll need to do is enable your clipboard history. For that, locate your settings and then open it up. After you're on your settings, go to System. On your system, you should find a clipboard option. So scroll down and there you'll see the clipboard option. Head over there. After you're on your clipboard, simply enable this clipboard history option. And now to simply access your clipboard history, you can press Windows plus V together. And there you can see your clipboard history. Now you can start copying stuff. So after you copy stuff, you can then press Windows plus V and you can see all of your clipboards and what you've copied. So there you can simply select what you want and then paste it. So yeah, it's that simple. If you want to clear out your clipboard history, tap on clear all. And here you can see multiple options as well, such as the emojis and stickers and everything. So let's head back here. You can even see the GIFs. But yeah, this is how you access your clipboard history. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.